Canceling your Boost Mobile service involves two primary options: porting your number to a new carrier or completely closing your account. Porting out allows you to keep your existing phone number when switching to another provider like AT&T or T-Mobile. Closing your account terminates your service and releases your number. Boost Mobile, now under Verizon, offers digital and traditional methods for cancellation, emphasizing user-friendliness and compliance with FCC regulations. As of September 2025, cancellation is free. But always verify details on Boost Mobile's official website for any policy updates. To cancel Boost Mobile service, you have three main options. You can call the support line at 1-888-BOOST-4U, use the app or website through account settings, or visit a store in person. For porting out your number to another carrier, contact Boost Mobile support with your account details and the new carrier's information. You'll receive a port authorization code, and the transfer usually completes in 1 to 2 days. Closing your account permanently ends service and results in losing any unused data or balances. Ensure you're the account owner, pay outstanding balances, and return leased devices. Cancellation doesn't impact existing bills, and you'll receive a final statement. Note that over 70% of cancellations now happen digitally through the app. Boost Mobile also provides incentives for recycling devices to support sustainability goals.